Time. We use it every day. We say, I don't have enough time, or I wish I could stop time. Time is on our clocks, in our calendars, in our memories, and in our future. But have you ever truly wondered what time is? Is it just a measurement, or is it a deeper secret of the universe? Why does time only move forward? And does time really pass at the same rate for everyone? These questions have puzzled humans for centuries. In this video, we will search for the answers. We'll move beyond the ticking of a clock to try and understand one of the universe's greatest mysteries. Today, we're going on a journey through time. For most of us, time is like a straight line. It flows from the past to the present, and from the present to the future. It's like a river in which we are all swimming. The past is made up of the moments that have passed. They are stored in our memories. The present is the moment in which we are breathing and speaking. It's the only moment we truly feel, and the future is what is yet to come. This is a very simple and straightforward concept. The speed of time is constant, and it is the same everywhere. A second is a second for me, for you, and for everything at the other end of the universe. But is that true? Physicists say no. Contrary to our common experience, time is a complex thing. To understand this secret, we have to go to the great scientist, Albert Einstein. At the beginning of the 20th century, Einstein gave us a completely new theory. He said that time and space are not two separate things. They are linked together. He called this spacetime. Just imagine that the universe is a large, flexible sheet. Our galaxies, stars, planets, and we all exist on this sheet. Now, Einstein explained that heavy objects, like stars or planets, bend this sheet or create a curve in it. And this curve is gravity. How is this related to our time? In a very deep way, Einstein explained that when gravity bends space, it also bends time. This means that time passes more slowly near heavy objects. This theory is called time dilation. We can understand this with an example. If one of your friends is standing on a mountaintop and another is at sea level, the friend on the mountaintop will experience time moving slightly faster because they are a little farther from the center of the earth. This means the effect of gravity on them is slightly less. This difference is so small that we can't feel it. But modern clocks can pick up this difference. And this difference is very important for GPS satellites. GPS satellites orbit in space, where the Earth's gravity is weaker. Therefore, their clocks run a little faster than our clocks on Earth. If we didn't correct this difference, GPS would not work at all. Time is not only affected by gravity, but also by speed. Einstein also explained that the faster you travel, the slower time will pass for you. This is the second form of time dilation. There is a famous thought experiment for this, called the twin paradox. Suppose there are two twin brothers, Amarar and Adil. Amarar gets on a very fast rocket and goes on a space journey, while Adil stays on Earth. The rocket travels close to the speed of light. When Amarar returns, he finds that much more time has passed on Earth. Adil has grown old, while Amarar is still young. This is not science fiction, it is reality. At very high speeds, time slows down. Why does this happen? Because everything in the universe has a speed limit, and that is the speed of light. Nothing can travel faster than light. When you move fast, you are traveling more in space and less in time. That's why, for you, the flow of time slows down. Now another interesting question. Why does time always move forward? Why can't we go back to the past? Physicists call this the arrow of time. To understand this, we need to understand another scientific concept: entropy. Entropy means the tendency of things to become disorganized or scattered. The nature of the universe is to become more and more disordered. Let's take an example. If you throw a glass on the floor, it will break into pieces. Can those pieces spontaneously come back together to form a glass again? No. If you leave a cup of hot water in a room, it will cool down. Can it spontaneously get hot again? No. There is only one way. The glass will always break, and the water will always cool down. This is the arrow of time. Time moves in the same direction that the universe's entropy increases. We cannot go back to the past, because, for that to happen, the universe would have to decrease its disorder, which is impossible. The flow of time is actually a natural process of increasing disorder in the universe. So we have seen that time is not a simple measurement. It is affected by gravity and speed, and its flow is linked to entropy. But do we know everything about time? Absolutely not. According to some theories, time may not be what we think it is. According to quantum physics, at a very small scale, time may be more like fluctuations than a straight line. Some experts believe that time has no beginning or end. It has always existed along with the universe. So the next time you look at your watch, remember that you are not just seeing minutes or seconds. You are looking at a fundamental reality that controls the structure of the universe. Time is a journey we are all taking together. We use it, we fight it, but the true nature of time is still a deep mystery. I hope this video has changed your perspective on time. I want to ask you a question. Do you think time will ever stop or have an end? Or will it always exist? Be sure to share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you liked this video, like it and subscribe to the channel so we can talk about more such interesting topics. Thank you very much.